and what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please hit that subscribe button if you've not. So on today's video I'm going to be doing an ombre lip, and I'm going to be using lipsticks that are less than $2. So I'm starting off by moisturizing my lips because the lipsticks can be very drying because they are matte lipsticks. So I'm starting off by using these doors of colors, and I'm not going to be overlining. So when you look at your lips, there is this natural line that you can actually see. So with mine you can see where my lip starts getting darker, so that's where the lining is. So I'm not going to go past that line. And what I normally do is, if I'm going to be creating an ombre lip look, I always start with the darkest shade and then go lighter. As you can see, this lipstick from Huda, the Moitu version, is a bit lighter. So I'm going to be creating an ombre look using these two lippies. And this lipstick, the one that I'm applying right now, is way too dry. Like, it dries up very fast, and also the applicator is not that easy to use, but we'll make it work anyway. So let's try and make this work. So I'm just creating that ombre and then smudge my lips, and then go again with these Doors of Colors lipstick. And since the Huda lipstick dries up really fast, so blending in the lipstick by smudging might be very hard. So what I'm doing right now is I'm taking this tiny brush and using the Doors of Colors lipstick, which is the brown shade, but here it just looks like it's a purple right now. So I'm just blending in the two shades together. I've just applied a little bit of lipstick on that brush and blend to remove all those harsh lines so that it can look well blended in. So blend, take my time. So with lipsticks that don't dry up very fast, like the original Maybelline lipsticks, you can just blend by smudging in your lips. But with this one, you can't do that because the lipstick dry up very fast. So it can't give you time to actually smudge your lips and just look the way you want it. And then after that, I'm going to take this Fit Me finishing powder and just apply it on top, and this is just to make the lipstick last longer and also to make the lips not feel that tacky, because before then they were feeling very tacky. So yeah, this is the final look, guys. Yeah, tell me your views on the comment section. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you for 6,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Please, if you've not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and don't skip the ads. Please don't skip the ads. Bye.